In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your loadout mid-match here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, let's say, for example, you're in a match and the loadout you're using just isn't working. Maybe you're sniping and you want to switch to AR, or maybe you want to keep sniping but switch to a different scope. You can actually change all of this while you're still in game. All you need to do is open up your settings and go over to this loadouts tab right here. From here, you can select L1, R1, or just simply cycle through your classes. Find one you want, and for example, I just selected my shotgun. But on top of that, what you could also do is go ahead and select edit by going into the gunsmith and equipping, whatever attachments you might want onto this weapon. And this is going to include things like your scope, your barrel, your stock, really anything you want. And whatever you do, make your changes, all you need to do is die once in game. So for example, I did just switch to my shotgun. I'm going to go ahead and just jump out over to, my future yacht over there. And when I spawn back in, I'm going to spawn in with whatever class I just selected. You can repeat this as many times as you want. It doesn't necessarily matter. And you can also adjust your attachments, switch your weapons, and completely change your setup mid-match. But that's really all there is to it. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.